as a business leader, your goal is to make decisions that will have a positive impact on your bottom line. I have traveled the world speaking to executives and engineers from both established multi-billion-dollar manufacturers as well as startup companies. And sometimes I've heard these business leaders say they're not aware that participating in standards development can be important to achieving their objectives. They seem to believe that only the global elite of companies, or those with the largest R&D budgets or excess resources, send their company's representatives to standards development meetings. But in fact, standards depend on the collective intelligence of all players. Or, as Aristotle said, each of them by himself may not be of good quality, but when all come together, it is possible that they may surpass collectively and as a body, although not individually, the quality of the few best. That is a good summation of how today's standards get developed, by the collaboration of groups of people who contribute diverse ideas. It is this diversity, in fact, that helps to produce standards that benefit a global marketplace. And no matter the size or resources of your company, there is a way for you to be involved.
A lot of big companies that exist today started as very small organizations. So you have to understand that it's important to participate so that tomorrow you may not be a small organization and you are able to drive the technology of the world.
The strategic challenge facing many companies is how to understand how standards may be relevant to achieving their business objectives, to determine the right standards to use or to influence, and then to plan their standards participation to achieve their objectives.
Participating in an open standards development process provides a mechanism for objective consensus. Diverse and subjective points of view contribute to the collective intelligence.
Some people want to understand how the technology is evolving and what is the strategies that are being adopted by different organizations on how the technology is evolving based on the requirements that goes into that particular standard, and it allows you to define the strategy for your own organization. So whether it be participation, whether it be observation, each one has a different view, has a different take, and all these are extremely important.
When your company participates in standards development, you obtain collective intelligence and competitive intelligence, both of which affect your bottom line.